How to list a business on Google Maps. Want customers to find your business online? Let's list it in Google Maps step by step. So, step one, sign into your Google account and then head over to Google Maps. Now, from here, at the left side, you should find this menu button. So, click on this and then click on this Add Your Business button, and that will take you in here. So, in here, you should create your business profile. So add your business name, business category, and choose the right category like cafe, grocery, or clothing shop. Now enter your store's location, type the address, drop a pin on the map to confirm the exact spot, and then add your contact details. Include your phone number, website, and operating hours so customers can reach you easily. Step 5, verify your business. Google may send a postcard to your store or let you verify by phone number or email. This confirms ownership. Optimize your profile, upload photos of your store, logos, and products. Add a short description highlighting what you offer. Once verified, your business will appear in Google Maps searches and directions.